tires today because they are pretty worn out. And I don't know how long these tires have been on these wheels. Well, actually, these tires used to be on Monica's E55, and then we swapped them over to my wheels, and I've had them for almost a year now. But in terms of like how old the tires are, I'm not too sure. I know it's a 2023. I just got here to the shop and we're gonna get those done. You guys, I'm gonna show you guys my tires, my go-to tires that I use on most of the cars. They are phenomenal tires, actually. Hopefully, if you guys are interested in these tires, I will let you guys know. I'm trying to park here. I'll let you guys know the pricing and all that. I think this should be good for now. Dude, how are you been?
I'm good.
It's been a minute, dude.
I know, I've just been cutting myself on a bunch of...
Dude, this is sweet. What are you working on?
Oh, their lights weren't working. Whoever set up the wiring for the LED lights put it in the wrong plug.
Oh. That's crazy. It's good to see you, bro. It's been a minute, yeah.
I know.
Yeah, how have you been doing?
All right for the most part.
Yeah.
Holden's on vacation.
Okay. So Holden's still here. Nice.
This
Nice.
is me and Mo right now.
I'm glad you guys are holding it down.
Yeah.
It's
It's good.
Yeah.
I'll say that.
Man, yeah. You guys don't know. Long story.
I don't mind saying it. I don't mind.
I don't know if they really. I guess. I mean, they've seen.
They've seen Mahan.
Yeah, they have.
So.
Yeah, they've seen Mahan in the videos.
November 9th.
November 9th. Yeah, that's yeah. So pretty much, owner of the shop got into a bad accident and basically didn't make it. It's a touchy subject, but you guys have held it down pretty much.
Yeah.
For the most part. Unexpected, like crazy. It's one of those things you guys, you just have to live every day. To the fullest, like there's no tomorrow. But that's basically what we're talking about. Anyways, we're gonna get the E55 in here shortly. Golly, this thing is chopping like crazy. Oh, I smell that. This thing is on E85. Dude, that is nuts. Alright, so it's pretty steep over there. So turn it on. And then hit this button. This will lift the whole car up. Oh, actually, no. Sorry. Press this button. That's going to lift the whole car up. We'll give it a second.
Yeah.
Let's see how high this thing is going to go. The car is already pretty low. Okay. Maybe not too high. Alright, it didn't go up that much. Oh, it's still going up. Alright, you should be good.
It's on an air pump, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta just have to...
Oh, really? Yeah, I see it as going higher up.
It just takes a second.
Gotcha.
I have to do this the same way. We set the idle up to like 50 RPM, but wait for the airbags to pump up.
Yeah.
Test for leaks.
Gotcha. I didn't know about that.
Yeah.
Apparently, you gotta give it a little bit of some gas for it to air up. You should be good. Dude, look at that monster truck. The Fitman, though. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, I'm glad we rose it up. Yeah, you're good. That was close. So so that's what we're working with today. These are the Road 1 Calvary ultra high performance tires. These bad boys, guys, they are phenomenal. They actually stick. Monica has it on her E55. It makes a ton more power than this one. It hooks, it sticks. It's a great all season tire. That's why I decided to stick with this. Also, the shop recommended this previously. I think I did mention this tire before. I had them on the rear and the front. I had to change the rear at some point, but the fronts, I think they're still on the Nettos. But if you guys were looking for great tires that are pretty cheap, but this is like a good tire, it's not like a cheap tire, but it's a cheap ultimate high performance tire. Both of these, they went for 125 bucks on Giga Tires. So this is the plug right here on these tires. They hook, they do phenomenal in the rain also. These tires are the Nettos G2. These are pretty much done. They're ready to be off of here. But other than that, I'll show you guys how the tires actually look like once we pull them off. Yeah, I'll probably get an alignment soon after I change the what do you call it, the tires. Yeah, that's pretty bad. You see what I'm talking about, guys? The inner. See this one.
You almost had this blowout on.
Holy smoke. Oh yeah. I'm so glad I did this today. Dang, that's crazy. Yeah, that is crazy. Ugh.
That almost blew out. This almost blew out. You have a tear right along where the bead meets the lip of the rim.
Yeah.
And you have a tear right.
Yeah. Hey, I'm glad I'm doing this. I'm so glad. All right, let me check the brakes on this. This is perfect time. Oh yeah, brakes still look really good. Phenomenal front brakes. Let's see the other side. Should be about the same. That's perfect. Dude, that is crazy. I barely made it, dude. You think it would actually explode or just lose air? It would literally explode.
No, it will explode.
It'll explode.
If you hit a pothole, you hit a bump. If you're going across 295, you already know
That's
what's
it.
happen.
You're done.
That's it.
You know what's crazy? This TPMS, my car doesn't need that. But, I mean, if it works, it works. You can leave it on. So the wheels.
Do you not have the TPMS module in there?
No. So the reason why it was you guys put it back on is because these tires that you're taking off used to be on Monica's E55, and that wheels were stock wheels on a CLS, and CLS uses TPMSs. So when you guys took the tire off, obviously you would think, yeah, my car also needs TPMSs, but no. It doesn't. I mean, if it works, it works, right?
If the seal hasn't broken yet, just keep it in there for now.
Okay.
Once that seal breaks, then we'll just take them out, put these in, and you'll be fine.
Boys, we are done here. I'm so glad I got this done.
I didn't even show you the other tire.
Huh?
I'll show you the other tire in a second.
Oh, the lift is still on. So if you press the lift... Oh, wait, you probably want it on.
I still need it.
Yeah.
Does it go down when it's off?
Huh?
Does the lift go down when it's off?
Yes. But right now, it's not even lifting up. The rear is lifted up. You could press it again, and let's see if it... Yeah, and then press it one more time. And let's see if it lifts up. Oh yeah, it's lifting up. Wow, I didn't know that, guys. You give it some throttle and it lifts itself up. Yeah, it looks like you're good. All right, you're good, you're good. 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 All right, we made it. We're good.
Hey, what happened?
Sheesh. Yeah, it is cold. It's cold. Oh yes, new tires. To show you guys this one. Oh my goodness. V8? Wait, which one was the V10? Oh, that's the V10. Oh yeah, that's right.
All the supercharger intake runs all the way down here and
Into
then
that.
I forgot, plenum.
Dude, this is crazy. This is running and driving?
Not yet, because the fuel pump died. Yeah, I went to tune it.
Yeah.
And tried to start it. I'm like, all right, what the hell's happening?
Yeah.
And I'm sitting there, I'm like, all right, what is wrong with this? Can't get it to start. And went back to look at the programming, and it was running like 29 psi for low pressure fuel pump.
Yeah, that's
and I'm
pretty
like,
low.
It's supposed to be shooting like way higher than that. And
Yeah,
so-
that's crazy. Dude, I love the wheels on this. EVS's.
Hmm?
All right, I'll catch you later.
Catch you later, man.
All right. Thank you. We are done and we are safe on the road. I'm so glad I got this done. I didn't think it was that bad, but it's pretty bad. I'm glad I've got the E55 back on the road, rolling. I mean, honestly, safe on the road, pretty much. But I will catch you guys in the next video, and you guys take care.